Alright, this is video of the Dowontech St-800 installed on my new Acura TL. I'm sorry. I'm gonna just show you a few of the features. It's kind of dark out here, so sorry, bear with me. I have the key fob in my hand. This is a proximity sensor. I walk up towards the car, it'll unlock it without me pressing anything. Open my door. Got my push button installed right there. If I press it once, my accessory turns on. My radio. If I press it again, accessory 2 turns on, dash lights, AC. If I get in and step on brake, and press the button, you see it starts flashing. See the car starts. Press it again, turns it off. Close my car. Still have the key fob. Walk away. Car locks itself without me pressing any buttons. I leave my key fob here. Walk back up to my car. Keypad installed below the glass. Can press in the code. Unlocks my car.